In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean an email list in Mailchimp quickly and easily. Keeping a clean email list is essential for maintaining high deliverability rates and ensuring your emails reach engaged subscribers. By cleaning your list, you'll reduce bounces and spams, ultimately saving money and improving your campaign performance. So, let's dive right into the process. First, let's start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp.com and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is your central hub for managing email campaigns. On your dashboard, you'll see an option called Audience. This is where we'll focus our attention today, so go ahead and click on Audience. This section gives you access to your contacts and allows you to manage them efficiently. The next step is to choose the specific audience you want to clean. So under the Audience tab, you'll see the option labeled All Contacts. Click on that, and then from the list that appears, select the specific audience or list that you'd like to focus on for this cleaning process. Now let's move on to identifying inactive or invalid contacts. This step is crucial because it helps pinpoint the subscribers who are either not engaging with your content or those whose email addresses are no longer valid. To do this, you'll need to create a segment based on specific filters. Mailchimp makes this easy by offering several criteria for segmentation. You'll want to apply filters such as email marketing status and set it to cleaned or unsubscribed. This filter will help identify those who should be removed or archived. Additionally, check the last opened filter and set it to not opened in the last 6 months. This will help you spot those who haven't interacted with your emails in a while. Once you have defined your segment with these filters, make sure to save and name the segment for easy future reference. Naming it something like inactive contacts will help you quickly locate it later if needed. Having identified the inactive or invalid contacts, it's time to take action. Head over to the segment you just created. Here, you'll want to select all contacts within this segment. Once done, look for the Actions button, click on it and choose either Archive or Delete. Archiving is recommended because it preserves your data without counting these contacts towards your overall contact limit in Mailchimp. This way you keep your list clean without losing valuable data that you might want to reference later. And that's it. By following these steps diligently, you can maintain a clean list, ensuring your emails reach the right audience. Regular maintenance of your email list is key to successful email marketing. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.